That's my Jenny Bobini. Oh, you got asparagus. Oh, Jenny. Okay.
Oh God.
It's okay. Oh, where my
Here's the thing.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Woo. That's gross. Wait, hold it so I can rip that part. Where's your potato salad? The hot dog's done? Okay. That was not enough to do nothing.
Right.
That's cute. Play something. We need to play our own music.
No, we're good.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. It's good.
This is my shot. What's yours?
Another one?
Yeah. You don't have to if you don't want to. Let me just stop. Stop.
Jenny, this is good.
Asparagus? Please, I did. Right there. That's yours. Got lipstick on.
Okay, alcoholic.
It's good? Or you want more?
That's good.
Sure?
You need to get a lime. Wear a lime. They trying to get me drunk, y'all.
The lime helps.
They trying to get me drunk. I don't need lime. I'm a big girl.
to get drunk
sometimes. It's okay. Ooh. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh. See that cocktail right there? I don't think that is best. Which one? Behind me, some.
Oh, I made it. Okay.
You got asparagus?
Alright. I don't know. I'll call you.
You get some more here.
I'll ask him if he wants some.
Ah,
You welcome to come sit at the pool with us.
Ryan, you want asparagus?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Cooler on the left.
My left? Oh, Jenny! Baywatch, babe!
It feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels real good. Oh shit, my watch. That's my Sephora Barbie. Is she pretty? Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Where's the radio at? It's not loud enough. Well, we need to bring my radio over here. Don't you got makeup on?
Yeah, it doesn't come off in the water though.
Oh, you got that paper towel?
No, I don't know. Last time we went to the pool, I went underneath and did everything, and that it was still on. You gotta drown me?
You can hold me, can't you? Waiting for my Sephora friends. They going to party, and I'm just gonna sit here and relax and probably walk around, see what it's hitting for. So nice. This is the purse I'm still carrying, y'all. I was going to probably go get me a coffee, or not a coffee, a matcha, but I don't know where to go. Huh? Well, pull it over here. It's so nice out. The water lights up and stuff. I guess when it gets dark. Gotta show y'all some stuff I got at Sephora. Probably once I leave, because it's in the car. Some stuff was on sale and I bought. I don't even know how much I paid. I just tapped my damn card. I gotta look at my receipt. But yeah, it was some stuff on sale and I bought the stuff on sale, because you know, with the holiday sale and our discount, you know, it's like a win-win, you know. So camera back on when we start walking around. We just sitting here in the chair for now. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Oh, y'all look so cute! Hey, y'all look so cute! Oh, look at y'all! Ew, y'all look cute!
If you go in at 6, you don't have to pay.
Oh, okay. Let me see your nails, Serena.
It's cute, right?
Oh, look at you!
Oh, her sandals is so cute. It looks really good.
Yeah,
I was like, I don't get my nails done often. He's like, oh, I can tell. He said that. Oh! Is it Asian? Yeah. He was really nice though, but I was like, oh. They didn't mean to be rude. I know, Asian, it doesn't mean like he was rude. Jenny's drunk already, so.
What y'all drink?
And then you put your mom in there.
Alterations. Out there partying and bullshit and party and bullshit. I couldn't film but so much because they had music playing, y'all, but we had such a good time. We went to a speakeasy, and I think you would see in the vlog, you had to pick up the phone and you had to say the special code. I don't need a special code in order to get in. It's like a secret location. And then when you leave, I forgot to film me leaving. And then when you leave out of like these secret doors and stuff. Like, it was so nice. Like, it was so nice. I just wanted to show y'all where we were hanging at. Can you hear me? Microphone check, microphone check. But yeah, we went to a speakeasy, y'all. It was so nice. That was my first time ever going. It was really nice. They had a live band. Me and my Sephora friends went. We had such a good time. So now we're just sitting outside relaxing by the water. You hear the water, right? Yeah. I'm about to call my son real quick so he can see the water. It's so pretty out here, y'all. So pretty. So pretty. I don't know what other type of footage I'll get, but yeah, it's pretty out here. Work. Alright, y'all, I'm about to do this haul real quick. What is it? Beauty Blender's coming out with a new solid cleanser. And me, I don't care. I got it because this is on sale. It's probably going to do the same thing. And I got this on sale. This is good for your brushes and your beauty blender. Lashes, y'all, because I've been wearing the crap out of these lashes. I got the Lily lashes. And then I got this here. Oh, that's where we were. Okay, security. And then I got this here Huda Beauty. It's a easy bake and snatch. It's supposed to set your makeup. So I got this, and this was also on sale. I'm on my way home. Tonight was a great night. Can you roll this window up some? People in Georgia eating. Okay, I need to be sitting at their tables, because boy, these people out here be eating. Okay, boy, when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, look at these houses. God damn, nobody home. Y'all just let it be known that y'all asses ain't home. Fountain in front of their house. Now they home. Now these people, that's some on next level shit, y'all. Alright, I just wanted to share my haul. I'm going to try this here setting powder, see how it looks, because it's supposed to control oils, and I've been dancing tonight, you know, what God gave me, okay? So let me see how this here powder looks. Get home, and I will see you when I get in the house.